My video guide will help you to get rid of the online scam that is related to the website Tonit.click. So, Tonit.click is a rogue web page that we discovered during a typical research of suspicious websites. This website, Tonit.click, is designed to load deceptive content, promote browser notification spam, and redirect visitors to other dangerous websites. Most users typically access such sites through redirects caused by rogue advertising networks. These pop-ups by Tonit.click are not related to any decent security programs, even though these pop-ups may use the names and the logos of such programs. So if you see these alerts on your screen, you should do something to get your computer fixed and remove these ads. First thing you should do is research the control panel and uninstall any programs that might be suspicious. But very often it happens that visually the computer is free of threats, however inside it may be full of malware. I recommend that you research your system with Combo Cleaner antivirus, which you may get on the official page combocleaner.com. Download the software, install it, and then begin researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.